color in the sky tells a story passing by. Reggae groove beneath my feet. Life's a rhythm soft and sweet. Smooth waves of freedom carry me where I belong. Through the tides of love and wisdom, I just float, I move along in these smooth waves of freedom. My heart becomes a song. Jazz and reggae side by side, two souls dancing with the tide. I'm not chasing, I'm just free. Let the music carry me. No more change, no more pain, only sunshine in my veins. Smooth waves of freedom in these smooth waves of freedom. My heart becomes a song. Oh, I know. Every note's a gentle prayer, every beat removes despair. Life's a wave, just ride it slow. Freedom's where the good vibes flow. Through the smooth waves of freedom, I'm sailing through the blue. Let the rhythm guide my spirit, and the sunshine heal me too. Yeah, these smooth waves of freedom, they bring me home to you. Freedom, yeah. Smooth waves rolling on. Peace and love till the dawn. City lights glowing gold, feel that soul breeze blowing cold. Coffee steaming, taxi horns, streetlight dreams where love is born. People rush but I just sway. Reggae rhythm guides my way. Midnight jazz from a corner bar plays beneath the city stars. Trumpet cries, my spirit flies. Soul breeze whisper lullabies. Soul breeze on Fifth Avenue, flowing easy, me and you. Through the noise, the groove comes through. Freedom feels so brand new. Soul breeze on Fifth Avenue, let it carry me to batsman smiles, his eyes have closed. Lost in notes the night composed. Every chord's a gentle flame, calling out my lover's name. Street reflection soft and wet, no regrets, no silhouette. Every light a melody, every step your harmony. Soul breeze on Fifth Avenue, flowing easy, me and you. Through the noise the groove comes through, freedom feels so brand new. Soul breeze on Fifth Avenue, let it carry me to you. City heartbeat slow and deep. In this rhythm angels weep. Music heals, the night is kind. Peace and love in every line. Streetlight shadows fade away. Morning kissing, end of day. Still that groove is in my chest. Soul breeze put my heart to rest. The soul breeze on Fifth Avenue, every note feels warm and true. In your arms the world feels new. Love's a song we stumble through. Soul breeze on Fifth Avenue, forever flows with you. Yeah, soul breeze, blowing cool through me and you. Down Fifth Avenue. just me and you. In every hue, loves the sound I hear from you. And island groove and midnight blues, no one else but me and you. Let the waves just play our tune, saxophone sings to the moon, island groove, midnight blues, forever in this groove with you. From the island to the bayou, Caribbean cool, New Orleans soul, golden sun, the ocean sway, sweet breeze takes my blues away, steel drum hum, a gentle tune underneath the lazy moon. Down in Nola, horns reply, groove and spirit never die. Two worlds meet and hearts unfold in this rhythm pure and bold. Remember Caribbean cool, New Orleans soul. Music fire makes me whole. From the tropic breeze to Bourbon Street, reggae jazz where love and rhythm meet. Caribbean cool, New Orleans soul. Feel that heat, let it roll. Rastaman and jazz parade, smoking notes the night has made. Let the horns call the saints, let the waves paint the sky. Island drum, city hum, where the groove will never die. Steel strings and trumpet cry, moonlight dancing in my eye. Rhythm sweet and heart so light. Giant jazz both shine tonight. Caribbean cool, New Orleans soul. It's the beat that makes me whole. In the night where lovers stroll, every note can heal the soul. Caribbean cool, New Orleans soul. Let the world just lose control. Yeah. Caribbean cool, New Orleans soul. Two hearts, one rhythm, one flow. Yeah. Double O's. Jazz reply. We talking rhythm under city sky. Echo rose, I'm not alone. Trumpet hums, the lights grow low. Soulful breeze begins to flow. Snare tap soft like heartbeats blend. Notes like whispers never end. Every drop a word unspoken. Every groove a spell awoken. Jazz dub and jazz conversations. No words, just vibrations. In the smoke and meditation, we find pure creation. Yeah, dub and jazz conversations. Sweet sound, communication. Vinyl spins, the room turns gold. Stories told but never old. Electric keys and upright bass find their peace in sacred space. Echo trails through saxophone, jar within each undertone. Every note a message clear. We speak love, Jah can hear. That dub and jazz conversations. No words, just vibrations. In the smoke and meditation, we find pure creation. Yeah, dub and jazz conversations. Sweet sound, communication. Acoustic sighs, guitar replies, bassline answers with disguise. Like two lovers talk at night, their rhythm feels so right. Yeah, dub and jazz conversation in the night's vibration. Through delay and bargization, we reach salvation. Yeah, dub and jazz conversations, pure sound, meditation. Dub fades, jazz remains. Still talking in the sound waves. Golden sky and ocean blue, everywhere's a song for you. Lazy rhythm, gentle tone, sunset makes this world our own. Coconut dreams and salty air, you and I got love to share. Jazz chords mixed with island sound, peace and freedom all around now. Grooving under the palm trees, let the rhythm set us free. Swaying slow with the ocean breeze, love feels easy as the sea. Yeah, we're grooving under the palm tree. Just your heartbeat next to me. Drum hums a sweet refrain, soft rain kisses window pane. Soft the phone drifts through the sand, like a whisper hand in hand. Rum and lime, the night begins, laughter flows with violins. Moonlight paints the lover's view, every color shining true. Oh, grooving under the palm trees, let the rhythm set us free. Swaying slow with the ocean breeze, love feels easy as the sea. Yeah, we're grooving under the palm trees. Just your heartbeat next to me. As the tide drifts away, reggae jazz in the air, peace and love everywhere. Now the night's a sweet perfume, fireflies around the room. Every soul begins to glow as as the music's soft and low. Grooving under the palm trees, where the world feels right and free. In your arms I find my peace. Time stands still beneath the leaves. Yeah, we're grooving under the palm trees. Forever you and me. Grooving under the palm trees. Just the moon, the sea, and we. Under silver skies we play at the Moonlight Reggae Cafe. Candle flickers soft and slow. Gentle laughter starts to flow. Coffee steam and ocean breeze, yeah. Music drifting through the trees. The bass line hums, the saxophone sighs. Stars are dancing in your eyes. Every note feels warm and true, like the night was made for you. Moonlight Reggae Cafe, where the lovers come to stay. Grooving slow till the break of day. Let the rhythm wash your cares away. Moonlight Reggae Cafe, yeah, we find our hearts today. Bartender hums a Marley tune. Jazz guitar beneath the moon. Trumpet whispers, drums reply. Heaven's closer when you sigh. Sugar in your glass of rum, sweet as love we've both become. Every beat a gentle kiss. Every sound feels like bliss. In Moonlight Reggae Cafe, where the lovers come to stay. Grooving slow till the break of day. Let the rhythm wash your cares away. Moonlight Reggae Cafe, yeah, we find our hearts today. Moonlight Reggae Cafe, yeah, we find our hearts today. Is young, the fire's low. Reggae jazz just takes control. Every soul that passes through finds a little peace and truth. Now the dawn begins to glow. No one wants to let it go. Smoky air and soft perfume. tune. Teddy Moonlight Reggae Cafe, where the music makes us sway through the night and into day. Love keeps playing anyway. Moonlight Reggae Cafe, let the vibe forever stay. Yeah. Moonlight Reggae Cafe, just you in the sway.
Soft on empty streets, footsteps fade where lovers meet. A distant horn, a lonely tune. Jazz and moonlight fill the room. Your shadow moves across my mind, gentle rhythm left behind. Even pain can sound so sweet when our hearts and chords still meet. Head of one love.